Hello everyone, my dear parents, children and all my well-wishers. I hope you all are doing well. So welcome back to our channel. All my parents and dear ones, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly do it so. Yes, your one subscription, your one like is going to help us to create magic in our upcoming teaching videos. So please do the needful. Our today's subject is maths and our topic is coins and currency. My dear children, as you all know, festive time is going on. बहुत सारे त्योहार अभी आ रहे हैं and whenever festivals are coming or even if it's your birthday, what do you get from your family members? Lots of gifts and blessings. Some of your family members also give you money as gift. Now, whenever you receive such gift in form of money, what do? Where do you save that money? Where do you keep that money? Right, you all keep that money in your piggy box. And when your piggy box get full, you open it and how do you use that money? Some of you use that money to help needy people. Some of you buy some gifts for yourself or for your family members. So some or the other way, you use that money for a good work. As you all are growing up, my dear children, now you should also understand how to do use of money. Like, if you go to shop to buy something and if shopkeeper tells you price of that particular thing, you must know how you should pay for it. Like, suppose anything which you are buying is for 20 rupees. Then, how you will give 20 rupees to the shopkeeper when you have 100 rupees note? Yes, you will give 100 rupees note to the shopkeeper, but in return, how much he will give you back? So all this you must know and you should learn with the help of this video. So before that, let's have a look on all these coins and currency notes we are using in today's life. Coins: 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. So these are the 4 coins we do use in our day-to-day life. Now observe these coins properly and see what kind of symbols do you find on them. On front side of this coin, my dear children, you will get to see picture of grains and flowers. Then top of this you will get to see letter R, which is used symbol for currency and coins. Then down, year of the coin is written, means ये coin कब बना के पब्लिश्ड हुआ था या कौन से साल में ये बन गया था, उसका ईयर, उसका साल नीचे आया है. Then if you turn behind, you will get to see name of a country is written. Then down Satyamev Jayate is written and there is one symbol is given. This is your activity, my dear children. You have to find out and gather information about this symbol. So your first activity of this video is you have to find out information about this symbol. Now my dear children, look at all these coins, all these 4 coins, like 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. What number is written on this coin? 1, 2, 5 and 10. So that is the value of this coin. Like, the value of 1 rupee coin is rupees 1. The value of This coin is rupees 2. Same it goes with other coins. Now we'll go ahead with currency notes. So have one look on these currency notes which we use in life. First is 5 rupees note, then 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 500, and last is 2000. Same, my dear children, observe these notes and you will get to see that what are the things, what are the objects or pictures are printed on this note. Find out and gather information about it. Now, as I told you, what number is written on this currency note is the value of that note. For example, note of rupees 5. So, value of this note is 5. Next, note of rupees 10. Value of this note is rupees 10. And so, it goes with other notes also. Now, let's move ahead with few examples. First example. Tony has 3 notes. Their total value is 75 rupees. And Salma has 75 rupees, but she has 5 notes. Now, how can that be? So, see. Now, Tony has these 3 notes. First note is of rupees 50, then rupees 20 and rupees 5. So all together it makes 75 rupees. Salma has 5 notes. So which 5 notes she has? So here she has 3 notes of rupees 20, 1 note of rupees 10 and 1 note of rupees 5, and all together it make rupees 75. It means that both Tony and Salma are right. Now next example. Sanju has 100 rupee note, 4 notes of 20 rupees, 6 coins of 1 rupee each. So how much money do Sanju has? Let's count. Yes, altogether Sanju has 186 rupees. Very good, my dear children. Here what we are doing? We are doing addition. Last example is Anita has 4 notes. They are worth 170 rupees altogether. Can you guess which notes she has? Come on, my dear children, guess. Right. She must be having 1 note of rupees 100, 1 note of rupees 50 and 2 notes of rupees 10. So my dear children, I hope you all must have understood and this topic is clear to you all. Now kindly check your description box for the assignment. Complete your work, note down your assignment in your notebook and learn this topic thoroughly with the help of this video. Thank you so much.